living the dream. You should see it through someone else's side. Another cipher to break, while the grass grows underneath my feet. Been running out of time for so long. Hello, 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 Leo. Now I'm running out of so long. Hello, 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 Leo. Hope I got the time to tell you. Hello, 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 Leo. Hello, Leo. You got a pure heart, kind of honesty that will always stay. Don't ever let him bring me down. What a terrible thing to say. Trying to cross my fingers out of sight. Hello, 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 Leo. I was lost inside a maze of you. Hello, 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 Leo. I stayed up, I watched you till daylight. Hello, 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 Leo. Two ships passing in the night on the stormy sea. Got your navigation lights pointing right at me. From the dead of the night, far away from land. Searching for a harbor or a quiet strand. You could be the anchor that keeps my feet on the ground. And I would be the rock that keeps you from drowning. I'm your sail when the wind is blowing. I'm your oar if you need to row. I'm your raft when the river's flowing. I'll follow you wherever you may go. Been breaking through the waves from the stormy skies. right where you are.